Hi, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a one-year follow-up on 1,600 FUEs to repair a failed strip case done by a well-known and competent guy. And so this fellow rolled in looking like this. And it's like that old Wendy's commercial. Where's the beef? Where's the hair? There's just no hair. And so, well, I tried to force him to do a strip. He wanted to do FUE. And so we did 1,600 FUEs, and he looked like this when we got done. And he lives out of the area, and I think you were on another one of your vacations recently. And
well, when he came back, but I didn't.
You didn't see him because you were on yet another trip to the beach, and yeah, somebody's got to hold down the shop here, and so he did this little video, and you should have seen him. He looked really good. Yeah.
I see the video. You showed it.
So here it is. All right, Steve. It's been just over a year since we did roughly 1,600 FUE grafts on you. As we were just talking, your only curse is that you're still fair-skinned and with dark hair, but once you get married and have a daughter or two, that's probably going to change to help you. You'd had a strip done before. It's been around one time. You don't have to say who did it. In fact, I prefer you not to. So you wear a short haircut, and your scar from the other guy, it's pretty good. It's as good as one of my scars. A little low, maybe. And then, let's see if I can get some of the... It's hard to see any FUE specimen. We used a there's a few. We used a 0.9 and a 1.1 millimeter punch for our records. It didn't have any trouble. Spin back around, please. How's it been? Is are you satisfied? Or you need any more hair? Or what's up front with you? What?
Very satisfied. Definitely coverage up front. Did not have before. Long term, probably need another one or so.
And that's filmed in kind of bad incandescent lighting.
Right on top of it. Like if you were to like do it in a different way, because if you put it on top, you can see, like even me, like you can see through.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
It
looks good.
And particularly when you compare that he had a strip done and had no growth, I personally was a little bit worried that we were going to have trouble. But he grew practically as well as the strip did.
Yes.
Yeah. And now, the interesting thing, Wendy, and you missed out on this, is that we talked about everybody in his family gets balder, and whenever he loses more hair, he's welcome to come back. He'd like to put 200 hairs right where I think he needs to, and then he'll do the rest. And I said...
I think he does need a little bit. Right.
He does, but he's only 12 months, and he may walk the camp a little bit. But
yeah, because it was scarred.
So, that's right, because it was done before. And so I said, we'll do another FUE, and what do you think he said?
When are we doing it?
He said he wants to switch back to strip.
What?
Can you imagine that? Now, I'm cool with that, because I know it'll be easier, it'll work better, it'll be easier, and it'll work better. But I can't believe the dude went and got strip.
Then
It didn't work. Came here, did FUE, after I tried to torture him out of him, and then now he wants to switch back to strip.
Whatever he wants.
Yeah. If we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.